Welcome to the Law Simplified course on Conflict of Laws or Private International Law. I'm your instructor, Shaveen Bandaranayake. Throughout the next few lessons, we will dive into one of the more interesting subjects in relation to any law or LLB program worldwide, primarily due to the fact that conflict of laws or private international law deals mostly with the procedure or the systemic side of the law. We will look at not just the procedural aspects of the law, but also how it cuts across different subjects in the LLB. In this course, we will begin by looking at the salient aspects of the subject as a whole, taking a bird's eye picture of conflict of laws or private international law, before proceeding to identify what are known as the fundamental concepts and issues. Basically, why exactly do we consider and do we talk about private international law or conflict of laws in the first place? Subsequently, we will dive into what are known as connecting factors, the types of laws that connect an individual or a party with a particular dispute and with a nationality and or domicile. This is quite important because in relation to private international law, as the name itself suggests, deals with civil matters between individuals. Next, we will cover a very important section of conflict of laws, which is jurisdiction, the right or the competency of a particular court or a country to hear a matter. And finally, we will conclude this course by understanding how exactly the decisions of foreign courts are recognized and enforced. As I noted earlier, conflict of laws or private international law, as it's referred to in some programs, is one of the more interesting subjects because it not only dives into one particular systemic or procedural area based on different jurisdictions or different countries, but in doing so, we'll have to discuss different topics as well, things which you would have covered in your previous or precedent years in your LLB program, such as tort law, commercial law, contract law, and so on. So, without much further ado, let's begin. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Click on a subject of interest to learn more.